Oh, I caught it.
Gotta leave that in.
These spicy Korean cucumbers have quickly become one of my favorite things in my fridge. Not only are they super fresh, but they're spicy and full of flavor and go with so many different meals. And since I'm almost out, I figured might as well show you how I make them. Yeah, so let's get started. Okay, and to get started off with, we're gonna finely chop up 3 scallions. And by the way, I am thinking of you guys, so down below in the comments there's a recipe, and I've broken it down based on the number of cucumbers that you're using. So for every cucumber, the list of ingredients that you need is down there for your future success. Is that 1 clove or 2 cloves? Huh. It's 2 cloves of garlic, but it's inside the same skin.
Twins.
Ah. Feel guilty for smashing it now. And we're gonna go in with some grated garlic. Nice little knob of ginger. Grate that on in. And then some pepper. And then I'm gonna go on some gochujang. Maybe. Some toasted sesame seed oil. A little bit of rice wine vinegar. Just gonna do some soy sauce. And then a little shot of honey. And with all that together, go ahead, give it a nice mix. Oh, that's really good. And now we get to have some fun with our cucumbers. What I like to do for these is top and tail it, and then we're gonna do something called an oblique cut. And basically we're gonna make little triangles. So what you wanna do is you wanna take your cucumber and take the knife, start at a 45-degree angle, and then shift to the 90-degree angle. And this way, as you cut, you get cucumbers that kind of look like triangles. Oh, I caught it. It's a good cucumber too. Anyway, now just go ahead and mix it on in with the dressing that we made. Oh, and before I almost forget, I want to take some toasted sesame seeds and sprinkle those in as well. That's what makes it. Do a little cleanup so the kitchen looks presentable. Hi, Apple.
Do we get to try one?
Of course. Hang on. Anyway, let's see. This is as good as the ones I made last time. I think they're better. Gotta keep the camera crew happy.
Thank you. Oh, they are good.
These are really good.
They are good. I'm gonna have to make some. This was a pretty simple recipe. Even your mom could do it.
It is a simple recipe. There you go. Anyway, I'm gonna go enjoy these, enjoy a few more, and maybe, let me phrase that again. Go enjoy these, maybe enjoy a few more, and I cannot wait to see you guys again for another video. See y'all later.